folks, I have a really beautiful 5-string banjo to show you today. It's got a 12-inch wooden rim with no tone ring. It's made of all curly cherry and Texas ebony. The Texas ebony is a little ring on the top there, and then also just 3 decorative layers we have here at the bottom. And then curly cherry and Texas ebony in the neck there, with more of this Texas ebony up front. So this wood is a wood I got from a luthier when he retired, and I don't have a good reliable source for this wood. Once it's used up, I'm probably not going to ever hunt down any more of it, but it's been really fun to work with, and I have a few more banjos worth. It's got a more traditional look, right? It kind of looks like a traditional banjo with ebony or rosewood up front, but it is a North American wood. And I really like it. And of course, if you've been paying attention lately, you know how much I've been enjoying using this curly cherry. It's got a goatskin head, non-steel strings, made a little cherry and Texas ebony bridge right there. And I just love the low growly low end on these cherry banjos lately. And the 12-inch wooden rim, it's just nice. Pretty cool. This one, it's got so much, it's number 757. It's got so much like sustain and richness, it makes me want to play slow. You know what I mean? Of course I can play fast and loud on it too, but it seems like it's a thoughtful banjo. So yeah, number 757, ready to go. Cheers.